So, hello guys. Miss ko na sila. Mag-hello ka muna sa fans mo, Joel. Yan guys. Pick up tayo ng order. Dito sa Tim Hortons. Paige! Say hello. Day off. Ice cup. Yeah. Breakfast, lunch. Is it? Yeah, I am. You're busy today? Busy?
Not really.
Yeah, my day off finally. Just one day.
Oh, full name. Full name.
Yeah. Yes. That's Paige. Drive-through princess.
Jordan.
Yes. Beanie! I miss you. Say hi to your fans. Maring Ann in the house. Ayun. Tapos ano, chicken wrap. Yeah. Hey, Nix. Say hello to your fans.
Hello!
Just kidding. I will. Yeah. It's some. Yeah, I'm waiting for my wrap. Busy today? Say hi to your fans. I saw your post.
What post?
Secret, your license thing. You should grab your license. Ayun guys, waiting tayo. Hindi ko alam kung aalis po kayo. Tim Hortons. It's our day off today guys. Galing na kami guys sa dental clinic. May lab. Ewan ko kung aalis pa kami guys. Yeah?
Because I'm on camera. Anything I say will be used against me.
Disclaimer, Miss D, I'm off today. I will say hi to my... Hello, Julie! Ellie, hindi pa ka pala, no? Do I have my order there?
Bigyan.
Mars, nakikita ba yung order ko dyan? Ayun, nakikita ko na. Kay Brother Eli yata. Parts! Benny! How are you today? I miss you. Hindi na nakasmile si Benny, oh. Morning ka na pala, Mars. Guys, hindi pa ako makain, guys. O, parang yan, say hi to your fans. Ayan, guys. Ganito lang kami, guys. Dito sa Tim Hortons. Waiting tayo. Waiting for our order. Good thing there's no line outside, eh. Wala. Ako, tatawagin kita pag meron. Ako ang super guard niya dito. Oy, Julie, di na mamansin. O, yan. Natutusta na yung beauty ni Julie. Hindi ko matanggap. Parts, thank you so much. With love. Bini, bye-bye. So, guys, we got the wrap of my husband. Bye!
Have a good day.
Thank you. See you tomorrow. Yeah, I'm working tomorrow. I think. Yeah. Bye, Paige. Thank you. No. Bye.
Are you following me?
Thank you. Yes. Bye-bye, Paige. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay, guys. We have our order now. It's done. It's done. I mean, not done. I don't know where we're going. si Sergio. Here, dear. Kaso wala kang water. Paano ka iinom? Bili ako water? Ah, okay. Sa Shell. Okay. Okay guys, see you later.